One thing I've always wanted to do is learn how to cook. However, I simply don't know how to. I mean, I can make macaroni and cheese, but popcorn is the easiest thing to make. But the one thing I really want to do is learn how to make a gourmet meal. Not courses, but just a simple, nice chicken like my wife can make. You know, something that you just can't get from Applebee's. I want to know how to cook stuff that you get like at Bonefish or something like that. So as a millennial, that's one of the things I want to do in 2018. And I think we all should set goals for ourselves. My number one goal is to know how to cook and not pay somebody to show me how to cook or pay somebody to shoot their commercials so they can show me how to cook or show someone else how to cook. Or I want to know how to cook. That's simple.